friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie Los, also known as Junk Gal. Today's project is a fun one. I'm going to use an old window, another one of my favorites, and some of these old glass jar inserts. These are balls, and they're from the 1950s. We are going to make a privacy window. I also have some of these little glass marbles. I am working from the back because I have the most depth in the back of this window, and the front of the window I'll be keeping the same because it's already painted white, which I really like. The first thing that we need to do is arrange the glass inserts and the marbles in the way that you want. And what I did is I went ahead and took a picture of it, because I will need to remove all of this so that I can clean up any of the glass inserts that are dirty. This one is dirty. I want to clean the glass thoroughly. So for that, we're going to use this glass cleaner. And this is Sprayway, and I really like this glass cleaner. It's ammonia free, but it works great. It's streakless, and I just love it. For this project, you're going to need an old window, some glass ball jar inserts, and how many you need will depend on the size of your window. You can pick these up on eBay, Etsy. Look for them at your local flea markets. I've been collecting these for quite a while just so that I could do this project. I saw someone do this project on Facebook, so I thought I would give it a try, and I will link that post in the comments below. The items you will need for this project is an old window, the ball jar inserts, the little marbles that you pick up from the Dollar Tree or any dollar store, Michael's, Joann's. I'm using a glue gun, and I'm using these Gorilla glue sticks because it does say it will bond glass, and these are for indoor and outdoor. So we're going to try these. They're weather resistant. And I think that's all you'll need. So let's get started. Okay, our window is cleaned. This is going to be the front of the window where the white is, and I will put polyacrylic on the white chippy wood, and I'll leave this hardware piece. And what was interesting about this window is that it's marked with 1938, so I'm thinking that this is from a window built in 1938. Like I said, this is the front. The back is deeper, which is why I want to put the inserts in the back. I want to show you these ball jar inserts. These are from the 50s. Now notice how when the insert is like this, you can read it with the indentation here. Now if I cannot glue this with this because it won't be flat. I have to use the lip, which is why I have to come in from the back. If you get some Presto ones, the lip is here, but you would need to glue here from the front. So it all depends on the type of insert that you get. but I'm going to be using all ball. And then also you want to be mindful of where the top of your window is going to be, so that you can get the words up, if that matters to you. So let's get to putting it all together. And remember, we had our picture that we printed off. Here's the top, and then all of the words are going to be horizontal. So I'm going to begin laying this out like my picture, and I'll be right back. We have everything nice and flush. You're just going to have to pat it and make sure everything is lying flat. And you want to see if you can squeeze any of these in, if there's an empty spot. But windows are going to vary, and some you'll be able to get a really nice pattern. I really like how this is laid out. It is so pretty. The next step will be to hot glue these all down, and I'll just take one at a time, and you have to have a lot of patience to hot glue each piece. And again, I'm using the Gorilla hot glue sticks. And it does say that you can use it for glass, so we'll see. My hot glue gun is warmed up and ready to go. So I think I will start gluing from the center. So now I'm just going to go through. I have all the centers done, and then I'm going to go through and do the rest of the gems, and then I will secure the rest of the lids. Everything is glued down, and I'm just running my hands over it to make sure that there's no loose gems or inserts. Yep, here's one I missed. And then what you can do too is you're going to have these hairs And so you can just take a blow dryer and go over it to get the glue gun hairs off of it. I think it turned out really pretty. And I know that you can see the splotches from the glue gun, but I think that just adds to it. What did you think of today's project? I really love how it turned out. I must say that this is very heavy now with all of that glass on there. So I would suggest, however you're going to secure it, make sure that you're using screws. I would pre-drill holes in the side and attach it securely to wood, because it is, I am not kidding, it's very heavy. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. And let me know if you have other ideas for using these glass inserts. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And until the next video, God bless.